Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using black color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Now we draw the alphabet of E, and the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kid, the next one is G. G for goat, and the next one is H. H for hand, and the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. Now we draw the alphabet of K, and the next one is L. Now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for parrot. The next one is Q. R. S. T. The next one is U. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using and mixing the color of blue. First we are coloring the shape of star. Now we are using the color of blue. The next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of blue and coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle and using yellow color. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. the shape of circle. And the last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.